Thank you for inviting me here. I was asked to talk about success when I started looking into my career of now almost 28 years. What has made me who I am, what has put me where I am today. And the question that always kept on coming to me was, how do you define success? How do you achieve success? My success is dependent on my team, right? Everyone says that. So that's the formula I picked up once upon a time. When I say once upon a time, about 15 years back when I was struggling with the project. I went back to my team and I said, can you help? This is not going anywhere. And guess what? The team came up with this solution and they made it work. And that stayed with me for a long time. So how do teams create success? I guess teams create success when they are empowered. And that was a learning I have carried across over the last 15 years, empowering teams. For the simple reason, if you want to stay involved in any decision or whatever is happening in your organization, saying that everything should pass through me, I need to be in every meeting, what happens? You become the bottleneck. However, when you empower your team, you give away, that is where you are probably creating multiple opportunities for yourself which you would have otherwise missed out on. So rather than be the bottleneck in progress, I decided I will start giving away. And when I started giving away, guess what happened? Suddenly success multiplied rather than passing through a linear gate. In our organizations, if you start going back and looking at when did you achieve success, it only happened when your teams were charged about it, they believed in you, whatever you wanted to do, and it made it happen. Success comes from teamwork, everyone knows that, but then teamwork happens only when there's freedom. You have to give freedom to your teams to be able to fail fast. Because if they don't fail, if they take a risk-averse scenario, nothing's going to change for you or for your organization or for your team. So what happens in the end? If you have a crisis, do you have to tell your team today that please go and do something? Or do they do it on your own and tell you about the crisis that happened later? And that's the scenario to be in, because only then you can go home when you want to and not be on the phone 24/7. Thank you very much.